sometimes when you squeeze it and you see how long it takes for it to come back out like that. As you can see that, and also it's pretty dirty, so I can't really see if the fuel mix is getting inside this primer bulb or not. So I'm going to replace that. And you do have to take this whole cover off just to get to the primer bulb. And this is the primer bulb here. And here is a model number for those who want to purchase this primer bulb for your Stihl BR800. Alright y'all, I'm gonna replace the prime bulb on the Stihl BR800. Alright y'all, we finally got the cover off of this BR800. So this is the primer bulb right here. So I think you have to push in and turn. Let's see. Oops, I'm sorry. Now you might be able to try one of these. This is needle nose pliers. If this don't work, I'll have to try something else. There you go. Yeah, it's a clip, as you can see here. It's a clip that was in there. You had to push that clip. Okay, now we got this out. And it's always good to mark or remember which hose is what. As you can see, this is the new primer bulb here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna match it up. Let's see. Okay, it goes in just like that. Okay, this is the old primer bulb here. As you can see here, the short one is on the left and the long one is on the right. So remember that the short hose is on the left, the long hose is on the right. Okay, this is the new one here. The short hose on the left, long hose on the right. So I'm gonna install this back the way I removed it. And then all you have to do is just click it right in place. Yep, this is the right one. If I can get it in now. Alright, we finally got that primer bulb in there. All we gotta do now is just put everything back the way we had it. One more thing, you might have to pump it to see if any fuel coming in. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better than what it was. It's two more screws right up in here. As you can see, it's one right here, and it should be another one right down here. It's two more screws that's supposed to be on the bottom, so y'all make sure y'all get those two screws. Mine don't have one. And I think when one day I replaced it, I replaced something up in there, and I forgot to put the screws in. So other than that, it been starting up fine for me. So maybe I replace those screws one day. But other than that, we got the primer bulb put in, installed here. I'm gonna prime it up and see if we can get this thing started.
Big J's on the track.
Alrighty, y'all, we finally got that old primer bulb removed. So this is the new one here. As you can see here, let's get this thing primed up and get this thing started up. Video help you out, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And always, thank you for watching Big J's Affordable Lawn Care. Alright.
Big J's on the track.